Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you the best reviews and insights on the latest products in the market.
Today, we've got something that's sure to tickle your taste buds and quench your thirst. We're talking about the Yoo-hoo chocolate drink, the undisputed king of milk drinks.
Stay tuned as we dive into what makes this beverage so special.
Let's kick things off by giving you an overview of the Yoo-hoo chocolate drink.
It comes in 6.5 fluid ounce boxes, and in this pack, you get a whopping 32 boxes of pure delight.
But what sets Yoo-hoo apart from the rest of the crowd?
Well, for starters, Yoo-hoo has been around for almost a century, and it's still winning hearts with its classic chocolate taste. It's that chocolatey goodness that goes down so smooth and leaves you wanting more. Whether you're sipping it at the beach, by the pool, on a family road trip, or just chilling in your backyard, Yoo-hoo is your perfect companion. Now, here's the kicker. Yoo-hoo chocolate drink is not only delicious, but it's also a healthy choice. It's 99% fat-free, 100% caffeine-free, and rich in calcium and vitamin D. So, you can enjoy that rich, smooth chocolate flavor guilt-free.
And if you thought it couldn't get any better, think again.
Yoo-hoo doesn't stop at just chocolate.
You can also enjoy it in other delicious flavors like vanilla, strawberry, chocolate peanut butter, and cookies and cream. There's something for everyone. Did you know that Yoo-hoo was first introduced in the 1920s by Natalie Olivieri, a small grocery store owner in New Jersey? It's a true American classic that has stood the test of time. Now, let's get to the best part, the taste test. I've got a box of Yoo-hoo chocolate drink right here. Let's give it a try.
That's delicious. The rich, chocolatey flavor is unbeatable, and it's incredibly refreshing.
I can see why Yoo-hoo has such a devoted fan base. Before we move on, let's take a look at some product details.
The Yoo-hoo chocolate drink is made by Yoo-hoo and comes in a pack that measures 5.12 by 13.11 by 8.37 inches, weighing 14.21 pounds.
You can find it on Amazon with an ASIN of B003ZS4FXM. Unfortunately, as of now, this product seems to be unavailable on Amazon.
But don't worry, keep an eye out for its return, as it's definitely worth trying. Now, let's take a look at what some customers have to say about Yoo-hoo chocolate drink. As you can see, customers are loving this product. They appreciate its delicious taste, the convenience of the packaging, and the fact that it's perfect for both kids and adults. However, there have been some occasional issues with product damage in the past. In conclusion, Yoo-hoo chocolate drink is a classic that continues to win hearts with its irresistible chocolatey flavor.
It's a healthy choice, available in various flavors, and perfect for any occasion. That's all for today's review on Product Critique.
If you're a fan of chocolatey goodness, be sure to give Yoo-hoo chocolate drink a try when it's back in stock. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews of the best products in the market. Until next time, stay thirsty for knowledge, and keep sipping on the best milk drink around. Yoo-hoo!